Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing social engineering, a technique used by cybercriminals to exploit human behavior and gain unauthorized access to computer systems. Imagine a scenario where you receive an email that appears to be from your bank, asking you to update your login credentials. You click on the link and enter your information without a second thought. What you don't realize is that you've just fallen victim to a social engineering attack. Social engineering is the art of manipulating people to divulge confidential information or gain unauthorized access to computer systems. It's a technique that cybercriminals use to exploit human behavior and trick their victims into doing something that they wouldn't normally do. One common tactic used in social engineering is phishing. This is where a cybercriminal sends an email that appears to be from a legitimate source, such as a bank or social media platform. Once the victim clicks on the link and enters their login credentials, the cybercriminal has access to their account and can steal sensitive information or spread malware. Another common tactic is pretexting. This is where a cybercriminal poses as someone else to gain access to sensitive information. They might call and pretend to be from the victim's bank or IT department, asking for login credentials or other confidential information. The victim may not realize that they are being tricked and may willingly hand over the information, giving the cybercriminal access to their account. Finally, there's baiting. This is where a cybercriminal leaves a physical item, such as a USB drive, in a public place, hoping that someone will pick it up and plug it into their computer. Once the victim plugs in the USB drive, it can infect their computer with malware, giving the cybercriminal access to their sensitive information. Remember, cybercriminals are constantly coming up with new and creative ways to exploit human behavior. Always be wary of emails, phone calls, and physical items from unknown sources, and never give out your personal information unless you are certain that it is safe to do so. Stay safe online.